Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday. Today, we'll be talking about one of the many free resources provided by Muhlenberg County Public Libraries called Learning Express. From their site, they state, organized into targeted learning centers, this e-resource supports those looking to improve core academic skills, pass the GED, prepare for college, join the military, obtain occupational certification, find a job, change careers, become a U.S. citizen, and much more. They also state, the Learning Express suite of highly acclaimed e-learning solutions provides interactive tutorials, practice tests, ebooks, flashcards, and articles for academic skill building, standardized test preparation, career development, and more. Let's take a look on how to get started using this service. Start by going to your browser of choice and going to mcplib.org. Scroll down to the Get Started section and click on Online Resources. From here, scroll down until you see the picture of the light bulb that says Learning Express, and click that picture. To use this service, you will need to register an account with them. Do so by clicking Sign In/Register at the top. Then, click the Register button. You should see that Harbin Memorial Public Library is your institution, and then you'll need to fill in your information and then click Register. Once you've created your account and get logged in, it may take you to a site called My Center. This will give you a brief overview of everything that you have started, completed, and partially gone through, broken down by category. You can then click on Home and see everything that is offered. From here, you can click on each category to see a subset of more specific categories to look at. Once you have found something you would like to learn more about, click on the link. I'll choose Become a Better Reader for this example. This will give you a brief overview of what to expect. And then you can click Start Tutorial. You can then see what to expect on the left-hand side of the screen, starting with your course introduction, then a pre-test, followed by 6 different units, then a course summary, and finally your post-test. You can cycle through these by using the previous and next buttons. Anytime you're ready to stop, click Save and Finish Later. This will save your progress, and you can jump right back into where you left off later on. You can have multiple tutorials going simultaneously. I'll find another one to check out under Computer Skills Center. And popular software tools. And let's try Word 2016. You simply follow the same steps as before and click Start Tutorial. These lessons are in video form, as well as text at the bottom, and use the previous and next buttons to move on or go back to the next one. At the top, you will see your table of contents. This particular tutorial will save your progress as you go. So anytime you want to click Home and start another, you may, or you may click on your name and click My Center. From here, I can see underneath my computer courses, my Word 2016 tutorial says it in progress. And once I click on it to go back to it, it remembers exactly where I left off. If there is something specific you would like to learn, you may search for it here in this text box. We'll say resume as an example. And just like before, you click the button to get started. For an easier way to view everything that's offered from the homepage, hover over Centers and then each category. And then you can start something new. Another good thing to check out when you're first starting out is to hover over the Help button and click FAQ, or Frequently Asked Questions. There's lots of good information in here for some of the most commonly asked questions first starting out. Also, be sure to check back often and click on What's New. This is updated quarterly. I think this is a wonderful resource to learn a wide variety of topics for people of all ages. It's especially helpful for those looking to get started into certain fields via preparing for exams, as well as how to advance throughout those fields. I hope you take this opportunity to try this free resource out. If you've enjoyed it, or it has helped you in any way, let us know on social media. Thanks for watching.